Introducing the DEWALT 2x20V Max Brushless Mower, a new addition to our ever-growing 100+ products 20V Max system. Equipped with two 20V Max battery packs for powerful performance. And a metal deck for premium durability. Its belt-driven motor delivers increased torque when powering through tough overgrowth with 3-in-1 cutting modes for mulching, bagging, and rear discharge. And compatibility with your FlexVolt batteries. DEWALT, guaranteed tough.
Introducing the EGO 21-inch Select Cut Lawnmower. Engineered to outperform, it features EGO's new-to-the-world Select Cut multi-blade cutting system. It's the first lawnmower of its kind and sets a new bar for power and performance. The Select Cut multi-blade cutting system is equipped with two interchangeable lower blades, the Edge Premium Mulching Blade and the Edge Tri-Cut Blade. The Premium Mulching Blade is ideal for weekly mowing and gives you the cut quality and runtime you expect from a high-end lawnmower. The Tri-Cut Blade is a heavy-duty blade that turns grass into fine fragments, ideal for both mulching and bagging. Both the mulching and Tri-Cut blades come with the lawnmower and can be easily swapped out depending on the cut desired. The EGO Edge upper blade is fixed in place and works with the lower blade selected to slice the grass the lower blade sucks up and greatly enhance cutting performance. EGO harnesses the power of the industry's most advanced 56-volt 5-amp-hour arc lithium battery by delivering up to 45 minutes of cutting time on a single charge. EGO's durable construction is second to none, featuring heavy-duty aluminum handles, a double-wall composite deck, and even ball-bearing wheels. Easily adjust your deck height with a single lever from 1.5 to 4.5 inches with 7 separate increments. Bright LED headlights allow you to mow at dawn or dusk. And when the work is done, easily fold the mower flat for compact storage. The EGO 21-inch Select Cut Multi-Blade Lawnmower.
Step up to the future of mowing. The RYOBI 21-inch self-propelled cordless mower. Fueled by a 40-volt 7.5 amp-hour battery and a brushless motor for unrelenting torque to drive the blades and the self-propelled rear wheels, delivering gas-like power. Push the limits of mowing with every step. One hand easily adjusts between 7 different cutting heights. With a single motion, quickly remove the easy lift bagger. When the job's done, fold your handles down for compact storage. RYOBI, the #1 cordless mower brand. Gas-like power, cordless convenience. Part of the 40-volt system,